Hi, this video of Kylie Jenner is going viral and everyone has their own theory. Some say it's plastic surgery gone wrong, some blame it on Botox, but the fact of the matter is that it's a poorly done under-eye filler. Dermal fillers contain hyaluronic acid, which by nature is hydrophilic, which means it tends to draw a lot of water to where it is. And when it comes to under-eyes, the skin there is loose and lax, and when you place too much filler, or place it superficially or keep doing it frequently, it can lead to fluid retention, making the under eye area look swollen and giving the appearance of aged or disfigured look. And also with swollen under eyes, because the light reflection, it looks more enhanced. But again, the beauty is that this is completely reversible in no matter of time. By placing another product, the fillers can be completely dissolved and you can get back to how you were looking before the filler. And remember, it's very important to be extremely conservative when you're getting your under eyes done. And in my practice, I rarely fill the under eyes. I work with a few points around it in order to improve the aesthetic appearance of the under eye rather than going and putting filler under the eyes unless and until it's absolutely required. And it's not just fillers, but you also have other treatments that can help with treating your under eye concerns like skin tightening, PRF, micro Botox. So choose your treatments and the injector well in order to get the best outcome.